The previous test take care of mandatory fields being being not empty and of the parameter around the name or key of a user. Good. Let's now write the last two tests for this class. We want to check email validity and type for email name and role. So let's define, this is a little complex, more complex. Test.mark.parameterize. Inside I will say email outcome. In the second parameter I will say missing add.com false. Add missing start.com false. Missing end add false. Missing dot add example false. Let's say here good one at example.com. This is true. And finally we could say in string characters like this. I will paste it here. Okay. And the other one will say both true. Okay. Then I will define a function called def test email self.email outcome dot mean user email assert is valid. Assert is valid. Mean user equal outcome. This time the parameterization is slightly more complex. We define two objects, email and outcome. And when we pass a list of tuples instead of a simple list to the decorator, what's happening is that each time the test is run, one of those tuples will be unpacked so to fill the values of email and outcome respectively. This allows us to write one test for both valid and invalid email address instead of two separate ones. We define an email address and we specify the outcome we expect from validation. The first four are invalid email addresses, but the last three are actually invalid. I have used a couple of examples with Unicode, just to make sure we are not forgetting to include our friends from all over the world in the validation. Notice how the validation is done, asserting the result for the code needs to match the outcome we have set. Let's now write a simple test to make sure validation fails when we feed the ground type to the fields. Again, it has been taken care of separately before. Let's continue with parameterization. In this case, we'll see add by test dot mark dot parameterize. I will say field dot value and comma value, and you will receive a list of tuples and email, none, email 3.1415, email and none again. Our name none, name and 3, the p value, name empty dictionary, role none, role empty value, p value, and the empty dictionary value, and define here the test invalid types self field value mean user field assert not is valid mean user. Okay, as we did before, just for fun, we passed 3 different values, now which is actually a string, and this test could be explained to include more values, but honestly we shouldn't need to write tests such as this one. We have included it here just to show you that it's possible. Before we move to the next test class, let me talk about something we have seen when we were checking the age.